Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today I am going to demonstrate the project 2 and here is my overview of my Azure account with my OLD user. Now let's go. Now first of all I am going to show you my two resources group which I named Deepak W24R1 and Deepak W24R2. Now let's go to the R1. Inside the R1 I have created those things with the location Central Canada, and like that for the R2 also I have created those things with the location West US. Now let's move to the VNets. I have made a VNet with my address space 102.102.102.64, and here is the overview. Oh, and I also have some subnets, and here is the name of my subnet to R2. Now let's go to the virtual network gateway, which I named Deepak Virtual Gateway. It's going to take some time, and the virtual gateway type is VPN with the virtual network debug VNet 1 with the address IP over here. Now let's go to the storage account. For the storage account, I name it debug storage account. This is my overview page, and now I'm going to show the files here. Here are my two files here, which I name debug files and restore the files. Now let's go to the vault. Now for the vault one, here is the overview vault. Now I'm going to show you my backup item. Backup Azure backup file. Here is the debug file, debug storage, which I'm going to show you the view detail, and I already backup it once, which is given over here. Now I'm going to show you the policies for this backup. Backup policies. Now here is the backup policy. Now default backup policy, which I selected the for daily, so it will be easier, and which is also given by my professor to perform it by daily. Here we go. Now I'm going to connect my virtual machine with the help of RDP, which I have already connected over here, and I also connected with the deeper VPN connection. Due to these rules, I can uh, map the two file over here, which I name the Deepak file 1 and Deepak file 2. For this one, we need some sort of certification from Azure. Those certification are over here, which are given over here. For this one, it should be on Deepak gateway for my point to point. Now for point to site configuration, here is the tunnel type IKE V2 and SSTP SSL, and here is the public certification which I use for my virtual networks. Now let's go again to my virtual networks. Now I'm going to show you the backups. For this one, I'm going to delete those two files from here. Are you yes? Now I delete it. Now I'm going to backup it. For this one, let's make it out from here. Deepak Adhikari. Now let's go to the vault, backup item, storage Azure file, view detailed file, boom boom, and select After that, I'm going to restore them. Okay, trigger and restore for debug file. Until that, it's gonna take some time. Now I'm going to show my network topology. For the network topology, let's go to my vnets topology, and here is my network topology for v1. We show which things are connected to each others. I'm going to show you my one first vnet. For vnet 1 also, I'm going to show you my topology, and here is the topology for my vnet 1. Thank you for listening me, and here is my overall project. And I also got the notification that the restock for the debug file has been successfully done. Now I'm going to show you again from inside my VM. Now this file, here we go. Again I can see the debug file 1 and file 2, which are successfully restored. Thank you again.